Hey guys, we received this Kenbry Drywall anchor repair kit for test and try. 1.96 inches by 39.37 inches patch with the easy cut and fast loose anchors fix. So let me just take this out. So this comes with this pack. So this have this roll. So you can cut and put it on the wall. So this is the roll, like have this drywall patch so that you can easily wet with the water and then cut a patch with the water and then put the screws and back into the looser drywall screws. So this will hold in the wall and you can easily put in the screws. The ziplock is provided so you can store the remaining one. So these are the screws that you can see which one, and you can easily wrap it around and put it in the drywall to secure it again. So you don't need to re-drill or do anything. It can easily patch your drywall.